Memory storage in brain. Memory storage in the brain is a complex and multifaceted process that involves several regions and neural pathways. The process can be broadly divided into three stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Here's a brief overview of how memory storage works in the brain. Encoding: this is the initial process of creating a memory. When we experience something, sensory information is converted into electrical signals that are processed by the brain. This information is then sent to the hippocampus, a region in the medial temporal lobe, which plays a crucial role in memory formation. Storage: once the information has been encoded, it needs to be stored for later retrieval. Short-term memories are stored in the prefrontal cortex and are typically held for a few seconds to a minute. Long-term memory storage, on the other hand, is a more complex process. It involves the consolidation of memories through the strengthening of neural connections, or synapses, a process known as long-term potentiation, LTP. This occurs in various regions of the brain, such as the hippocampus, amygdala, and neocortex, depending on the type of memory being stored, example, declarative, procedural, emotional. Retrieval: when we need to recall a memory, our brain activates the neural pathways associated with the stored information. The hippocampus plays a central role in the retrieval process, particularly for episodic memories. The retrieval process is facilitated by the activation of various neurotransmitters, such as dopamine, serotonin, and glutamate, which help to strengthen and modulate the neural connections involved in memory recall. It's important to note that memory storage in the brain is not a static process. Memories can be strengthened, altered, or even lost over time, depending on factors such as the passage of time, the emotional context of the memory, and the frequency of recall.